beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is what is coming next. Charms reading, yes, friends, for the week of 28th of September to the 4th of October. Yes, friends, this is for this week, but you can check it anytime, friends, because this is a general reading and you can check it anytime. You can also come back and cross check it afterwards. Friends, do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, friends. Thank you so much. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. Many angel blessings. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is this is for this week, but you can watch it anytime, as I have told you. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. And today's theme is birds, animals, and happy themes, because I know this is a loaded week, friends, astrologically. Let's first talk about it before we begin the reading, because a lot is happening this week. Mercury is moving into Scorpio on the 27th of September. Saturn will be going direct on the 28th of September, which is a very, very big move astrologically. It will bring us some relief for the world, for all of us in this world. And on the 29th of September, the Mars retrograde will be in square with Saturn. So it will cause some tension, some frictions. And on the 1st of October, don't forget, I have done the October readings, pick a card readings, horoscopes reading. Friends, go and check them out. I will try to link them somewhere up here. So yeah, you can check that. October will start with a full moon in Aries. Yes, friends, I know this is a loaded week. So like 27, 28, 29 first, and and on the 4th also Pluto will be going direct. So it is a loaded week. Get ready, friends, get ready. I know many of you are looking forward to this reading. So let's take a deep breath. Let's take a deep breath, and please overlook my throat. I am not well, as you all know. Thank you for your warm wishes, and I am recovering very fast from my sore throat. Thank you so much. God bless you all. I love you all. I hope you all are well. So let's take a deep breath and choose option 1, this beautiful eagle. Option number 2, this beautiful sparrow. Option number 3, this beautiful swan. So take a deep breath and relax and choose option 1, option 2, option 3, friends. Yes, and I will leave the timestamps in the comment section, friends, so you can directly go there and skip to the number you have chosen. Also, you can choose more than one pile if you feel drawn towards that, friends. This is a charms reading. Yes, I will be pulling the charms at the end of every pile. So for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful eagle, let us see what's going to happen this week for you. This is your advice. This is also your extra advice, because this week is a lot happening. And these are your oracle messages. We'll be looking at them shortly. Wow, the 3 of autumn, very nice. The 8 of autumn, interesting. The 9 of springs, the 5 of springs, the prince of summer, the dreamer, and the 9 of winter. Oh my god, friends, this is a busy week for you. First and foremost thing I'm getting is this is a busy week for you. You are trying to, you will be busy, friends. You will have a lot on your plate. You will be busy with work, with career issues, with education, or with household work. You'll be busy. That's for sure. First thing I'm getting. Second things are that I'm getting is that you are worried about something. There is some situation that is causing you some worry. You are some situation is stressing you out. But I feel that situation is going, you will find some relief in that situation, so don't worry so much. I do feel you could be worried this week about work or money issues, or like you feel like, your worries and fears are not real. They are fueled by focusing on the repetitive uh, thoughts which give power to what you are afraid of. Stop worrying, let go of fear, everything will be okay. You feel like this. Actually, today's theme is also animals. Look at this. I also have my ring. There's a, uh, there's an animal on my ring. Let me know if you can recognize the animal. So this, you see how this sea lion is sitting on this. Little tiny rock trying in the middle of the sea. That is how you are feeling, like you are feeling a little stuck, you are feeling a little frustrated this week. But I feel you can change this energy by focusing on what you can do rather than by focusing on what you can't change in life. So that is the key to this week. Focus on your work, focus on your everyday routine, focus on working with your friends or your colleagues. Focus on work, focus on education, focus on learning something new, focus on what you can do this week, because that is very, very important. I also feel, friends, that this week will lead you to a new start, right? Because Saturn will be going direct, and Pluto will also be going direct this week. So, this will bring you a new start. It may appear to you in the long term like this new start will show up to you maybe after 1 month or possibly in October. But this is the week when things will actually move. They will start moving, friends. So get excited. I know you can't see this movement right now because the dog is still stretching, but you can. You will feel a lighter energy, you will feel happier, you will feel pleasant, and you will feel happy also about something in this week. I would suggest you to spend some time outside also, just taking a walk or sitting in the terrace or something. Just spend some time outside also, it will help you to feel relaxed. I also feel, friends, in your relationships, there is a lot of struggle this week. There is like a difference of opinion, or a difference of opinion or argument can happen, or ego issues, ego tussles. What is that? Ego tussle, what do you call that when egos clash? So, egos can clash with your family members, or with your lover, or with a colleague, or with a friend, because people, the full moon is in Aries, and you have two Aries cards here. Look at this. So it will affect you, friends. Stay calm, stay patient, and try and avoid people this week, or focus on your work rather than talking. I also feel that some difference of opinion or arguments can actually lead to some developments in your life, like clarity, if you look from a different perspective, because you have the eagle, friends. So there will be a chance of ego issues, or you may feel your ego is hurted by someone who you love, your family, your friends are hurting your ego, or people are not at all. There will be a difference of opinion. We will clarify with the charms, but there will be a difference of opinion with people. But you can forget it, or you can rise out of it by focusing on working, by focusing on cooperating with people, and trying to ignore them. This is your week, so enjoy it. Don't focus too much on others. Nine of Springs. You are also, this week you're very focused on achieving something. You want to achieve something, and you just don't want to waste your time. You want quick achievements this week about your work, career, love life. It's like you just can't wait anymore. You are like, I am done waiting. Now is the time things should move ahead. I think yes, things are moving ahead for you, friends. Absolutely. And within a few, maybe after this week, you will see a major shift coming in your life. So give it some time. You are very close to achieving your goals, whatever it is. Maybe it is a work goal or a dream, or something something you want to achieve. You are very close to it. Just keep working on it. In love, I feel a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person could be important to you, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person could be important to you. I definitely feel, friends, there is someone who is behaving a little stupidly or immaturely this week. They might try to be defensive about the connection, or they might try to be, they might be a little rigid this week, your lover, your ex lover, your husband, your wife, your family members. So give them some space, because there is no point in fighting with this person. And the energy around this week is like, don't fight. It's not worth it. It is only going to create a more difficult situation. I do see there will be new people or someone from social media trying to ask you out or trying to know you or message you. You will get some people or some messages on your social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta, maybe here on our YouTube channel, Magic Vans Tarot. I also feel, friends, someone likes you, but they have a funny way of expressing their love. They like to fight with you, and that's how they show their love. And it's not funny, it's not nice, that's how you feel. And I agree with you. So be careful, someone can behave a little stupidly or foolishly. I also feel this person is someone from your past or someone from your recent, people, maybe an ex lover, twin flame. This person has been defensive about your connection, but they will try to message you, or you will message them or have a talk with them. So I do see a lot happening here. Let's see. Regarding money, I feel your focus is more this week on achieving your goals. In work, you will be studying more. If you are a student, yes, you will be learning something new. You will be maintaining your strict schedule. I would say maintain your strict schedule of studying or waking up or doing something. Keep busy, because if you are not busy, friends, people are trying to get in your way. Even then, if you are busy, people will try to argue with you or fight with you, because there is a full moon, there is the Saturn going direct, there is the square of Mars in Aries with the Saturn. So uh, people will try to push your buttons. Don't let them. Focus on your work, focus on cooperating with people, focus on understanding. I also feel money is not on your mind this week. You rather want a break from all this heavy energies going on. You want some break, some holiday. So I would suggest that this week is the perfect week to start a book, maybe read something. I do see that some of you will be reading something. Maybe you should take down some notes, like from my readings. Also, you can write down like some affirmations or something I give out to you in our community also. So it's this week is like you should write down your things, or read a book, or watch some TV, or some good movies which can change or improve your life and make you feel happy. I would suggest you to watch the movie The Secret. It's in the movie form also and a book form also, so you can go and watch that. You might enjoy it. So, this is and spend more time with your friends. If you have pets, take care of them, spend more time. Don't try to, your ego will be high, friends. So, don't try and involve with people with ego, or don't try anyone who is trying to involve a fight with you, argument, menting. Yes, someone from the past is coming. There is a relationship that's not perfect. That there is a lot of defensiveness, arguments happening. You are literally worried about this connection and this person. This person could be younger than you, or they are slightly immature. They don't live in the same city. Also, some healing will happen, friends, because Saturn, when shifts, it brings healing in all areas of our lives. And also, the full moon will also bring you some healing, some blessings in your love life. Deep knowing, number 43. Yes, friends, this is the perfect week to, enjoy some quality time with yourself. Take a book, take some coffee, maybe watch our channel. Many people say that it's very relaxing. So grab a cup of coffee and binge watch it. So, it's relaxing. Do something that relaxes you. Enjoy your company. You are amazing. And enjoy getting along, talking with some friends of yours. I do feel someone is trying to reach out to you this week, or you may talk with them, or you may just, um, they may cross your path on social media or somewhere. Let's see what's the advice so we can look into the charms then. Wow, treasure chest, an unforeseen windfall of new abundance comes to you. Yes, friends, I definitely feel there are things which are not yet clear to you. Something is hidden from you, but it will be revealed to you this week. So stay positive. I also feel that money, you are worried about career or money or your future, you are going to find that hope. You are going to find that, yes, that feeling of that hope that yes, things are going in the right way, that hope is coming for you. I also feel some money information or news regarding money or career will also come, or you may learn how to make more money or how to invest your money. All those things are also there. Let's see your advice for the full moon, which is on the 1st of October. Have faith in your dreams, waxing crescent moon. Yes, friends, your dreams are going to come true. You don't need to doubt yourself or your dreams. Have faith. Your faith is being tested, especially by people around you, friends, family, colleagues, lovers. They will trigger your ego this week. So, friends, don't, because remember, you are the eagle. Remember. So have faith in your dreams. Don't worry too much. Your dreams are coming true. Keep working on your dreams. I would say if you keep working, stay busy this week, you will avoid a lot of nonsense. And I'm sorry, my readings are getting very real these days, but I can't help it. The energy is such that I have to tell you these things. Otherwise, you can get into trouble, and I don't want you to get into trouble. Also, friends, this eagle reminds me of something. That when eagles fly very high, so this is how your week is actually. You are flying very high in a very happy place. Maybe you don't have everything in that high sky. You would like to have some rainbows, some sunshine, but still you are an eagle, you are flying high. But do you know that only crows can sit on right on top of an eagle? Even at those height, crows can come and sit on eagles back and take their prey or their food, and fly, keep flying with them. But what does the eagle do when it happens? When a crow sits and tries to steal their food or tries to ride on their back, what does an eagle do? They do what they are good at, what they are best at. They just start flying higher and higher and higher and higher. Eventually, they fly so high that the crows can't take it, because the oxygen and the height is so much that the crows can't fly. They are not designed to fly that high at such level. So the crows immediately fly off because they are getting so scared. So people will try to get on your backs. Don't. Just keep flying higher. Keep focusing on your work. Spend some quality time with your pets. Maybe do something you enjoy, and someone is coming to talk to you, or you will try to talk to someone. So yeah, that is also there for pile number one, how this week will be. Oh, see, oh, this is so cute. I just love this. Look at this. Oh, you're blushing. I think this is the week to try some makeup. Even if you are a man, no harm in trying some makeup. We all look good. Although I don't do all that. One of the reasons I'm not, you know, it's go natural. That's what I say. So yeah, something cute will happen, something that will make you smile. Some cute things should happen this week, or something will happen to make you smile. Uh, Kia, maybe someone's name is Kia, or Kio. There is also the ox. Yeah, see the bull's energy. Hit the bull's eye, Focus on important things this week. Forget the distractions. No point. People will want to distract you, friends. Don't let them, because I have warned you before, and now we have this our own little secret that if anybody disturbs our peace, we're gonna say bye bye and open our book and read. That's what we're gonna do. So that ways nobody is offended. Let's see. Hey, hello, I'm yours. I told you someone is going to message you with love. It's going to make you blush. I think someone you love or someone you have a crush on, that person could be messaging you. So, yay, exciting times. Messages in the bottle. So, definitely, some things which are hidden are coming to light. Some important messages will come this way, come towards you this week. Um, Ox is also a rigid energy. Ox are stubborn. X is also there. An ex partner, lover, husband, wife, friend is on your mind. Oh, don't forget to save the date. I do feel you will be saving your money this week. You will be trying to find new ways to spend, not spend, invest your money. Mushrooms, yeah. Some of you are feeling very sexually uh, attracted or sexually very high, because there is this fire energy, and there is the full moon in Aries. So you will feel very, bold go-getter types, and you will feel bold, adventurous. You will also want to indulge in fights, but don't do that. I also feel a sexual connection is coming your way, in the sense that someone is having attraction towards you. You are attracting someone, and someone is attracting you. The cowboy hat. Ooh, baby. Ooh, so someone who is a very handsome person or a very beautiful person is coming towards you. The cowboy hat. I think someone wants to propose you or woo you or just charm you in something. I do feel some of you should listen to some country music. It's awesome, it's great. Try it out. I maybe you know John Denver. I think John Denver is a country musician. You can listen to anybody. There are many. I can't remember most of them right now. But cowboy, yes, someone very dashing, someone very headstrong, someone very bold is coming your way. Also, this is the moon bead. So, yes, some things are hidden, they will become clear to you. You have the key with the crown. So, definitely, friends, you are going to be crowned, and some important informations are coming. I also feel with this key that some of you want a new home, or you want to shift, or you are looking for some new home or something, or some car. I don't know, it's like you it's like a home. You want some home, new home, or you want a new office. Yes, it is going to happen. You are on the right path. It may not happen this week, but it will happen in the coming weeks. And let's see, what is this? Wow, the baby elephant and with the mama elephant. Look at this, so small. This is beautiful. Definitely, this is the energy to protect yourself, to protect your dreams, your goals. Keep working on it. Stay on your schedule, and you know how to deal with this week, or what to do this week. So follow that. Flower, yes. Someone is definitely eyeing you, friends. They are going to talk with you or message you. Or maybe you are already in conversation with them. Mars, oh my God. Mars. Oh God, friends. Mars. Look at this. Mars will be, Mars retrograde is happening currently in Aries. So look at that. Mars is important. Mars is about this passion, boldness, you know. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this. Eagle, eagle. And friends, then you tell me the things don't resonate. I don't cherry pick my cards. I don't have that much time. I'm ill, I'm sick, and I'm still reading. Do you think I have that much of time to pick your cards? Why would I do that? Eagle, eagle. Oh my god, friends. Definitely, you are very powerful this week, and people are scared of you, or they will try to uh, doubt. They will try to, push you because you are so powerful, you are so attractive, you are going places this week. April is important for some of you. Maybe April is someone is born in April. Faith is also here. Look at this card. Have faith in your dreams. Wow, this is beautiful. Faith. Have faith in your dreams, friends. Soulmate, yes, a soulmate connection is important this week. Prince of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person could be important. America, yes, some of you want to travel abroad for work, city, or for education, work, visa issues. So you will find relief there. Four of Cups, yeah, you are feeling, yeah, a little frustrated. Like life, you are waiting for some things to happen. July, definitely April and July are important for you. Maybe someone is born in April or July, or something is important happened in April or July. So that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share this reading. Let me know in the comment section if it resonated with you. Your alphabets are KEAOX. I don't know if you can make any more words. X is also there. So yeah, someone you want to just remove all those blocks in your life. You're like, go away. I don't want to deal with it. Okay, okay, yeah. I think you might say, okay to somebody. Okay, I'll call you. I'll message you. But I see this week your focus is mostly on working, keeping yourself busy, working on your goals, enjoying a quality time together. A great week for you, friends. Do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, join us on Instagram to buy a personal. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye. For those who chose option number 2, let's see the Sparrow. Let's see how this week will be for you for the week of 28th to the 4th of October. These are your advice cards. This is your extra advice, and this is your oracle cards. I'll also be pulling the charms for you at the end of this reading. So let's begin. Ace of Springs, beautiful. The King of Autumn, lovely. The Five of Summer, the Queen of Summer. Wow, the Two of Summers. This is beautiful, friends. The High Priestess. Wow, you have two aces, friends. The Ace of Winter is also here. And let's see. Wow, you have two aces here. This is beautiful. And you have the King and the Queen. Look at this here. The King of Autumn and the Queen of Summers. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Or you could be these sun signs. I also feel an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important for you in some way. Friends, I feel this week this is an emotional week for you, friends, whether you like it or not. But I feel this is an emotional week and you will enjoy it because you will feel very connected to your intuition, to your creative gifts, to your, learning new things. You will enjoy it. It's a good emotional week for you, and your intuition will be super, super high, super strong. And you should not discredit anything your intuition is telling you this week, because your intuition is very strong. Some intuitive messages, some important dreams, important signs, important messages are coming to you from your dreams or through the signs around you. Maybe you will see some butterflies or some dragonflies, or if you are lucky, maybe some parrots or a sparrow, because I see that messages are coming and it is a sign for you for something that you have asked. A lot of messages are coming for you this week. This is a very spiritual week for you and emotionally fulfilling week for you. I also feel, friends, that there is a relationship or some situation in your life that you are not happy about. It could be, a love situation, a work situation. You feel disappointed or hurt by this situation. So I definitely feel that you maybe you are missing someone from your past, your or someone that you are with. You're missing them. You want to hug them. You want to meet them. So I feel like you're missing this, physical touch of a person, to meet them, to be with them, to sit and talk with them. Someone is also missing you. This card is also the dragonfly. Focus upon the fact that God loves you and always has your highest of intentions for you. A positive outlook makes it easier to recover from little setbacks and little setbacks that life offers us. So yeah, there is some disappointment. You're a little hurt. You're missing somebody, I feel. Or if you are single, you are missing being in a relationship, or you are missing someone from the past, I definitely feel that person. Or you are going to think about this person, or they are going to message you. I feel it's different for some of you. Like some of you are actually in connection with this person, in touch with this person, so this things will get deeper in this connection, smoother, beautiful. For some of you, this is a past person, so you will think about them, this Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. They will also think about you. You will get many messages through your dreams or signs about this person. I also feel, friends, this could be a twin flame of yours that's important to you. Relationships of all sorts are important for you this week, Your mind is about on love or building or finding that home or security. I don't know why, it's not even about home. It is like you just want to hug somebody this week. I don't know why, but that's what you want. You just want to hug somebody, or you just want to sit with somebody and like listen to some good music, or, you know, just look at the sky with them. You just want to enjoy the silence or a good company. It's not about love, it's not about anything else. But you may be married. If you are married, you will make sure to spend some quality time with your partner, your wife, your husband, because some of you may look at old pictures or old albums of yours. You are missing. I do feel someone is also stalking your social media this week because they are missing you and they want you back. This person is really missing you. I do feel that you miss company. You want some friendships this week. You're focused because this is an emotional week. So you want to be hugged. You want to be loved. So that's the energy of this week, and your emotions will be very high, although you will handle them very nicely. And you may feel very creative, or you may sing a song for somebody, or you will I think you will listen to a song this week which will remind you of something, maybe a past beautiful moment or a memory. I feel that will make you cry a little, happy tears. I do see there is going to be a start of a friendship or a reunion coming towards you. You both are thinking about each other. See, Ace of Winter, you both are thinking about each other. So there is a chance that some of you may get this communication from this person, or you may find that they are accidentally visiting your Insta or your WhatsApp, or you may find themselves that person in a common group somewhere. So messages are coming, yes, but it's an emotional week for you. And I also feel some of you in work, you will be focusing on getting your work done quickly, because you want to focus on your emotions. You want to sit with your emotions or just do something that you enjoy, so you will try to finish your work quickly this week, or you may not even feel like working this week. Or I do feel you will want to finish it like, oh, let's get this done in the morning, like from 10 to 12 I'll work, or 2 I'll work, and I'll finish it, and then I'll focus on this thing. So you don't even want to focus much on work. I do feel this week you will feel very bold. Ace of Springs. Some of you could be, This week is about being fearless, friends. You have to take a new start or a fearless risk this week. I do see that some of you may try to step out of the home after like months. I don't think so. You have ever, I don't think so. You have stepped out of the house because of the worst situation, or you are scared so you don't go out anywhere. Take your precautions, but I think you will do something that will be a risky thing, but you will enjoy it. Ace of Springs. I also feel, friends, like you will be very protective of the people you love, maybe your, children, your best friends, your lovers. You're very protective, very, very protective this week about them. And they will also be very protective about you. I also feel, friends, this could be that you want this attraction, you want this connection, you want this feeling of being hugged, being loved, You want to make some passionate love. And there are times when you feel we are all humans, friends. We are all humans at the end of the day. I know you all want me to be God, but I'm not, friends. I am completely grounded about that fact. Okay, so I do feel, you want you want some passion. You maybe you will find someone online, or maybe if you are already partnered up with a husband or wife or in a connection relationship, you will have some good time together, enjoy some attraction, some pleasure. You need it, so go for it. I also feel, friends, that you will try something risky, like taking maybe start just a one step you will try, but it will really help you. How, like, you want to start an online business or something, so you will try and take the first initiative, so it will help you. Or you are trying to ride the bike, so you will buy the bike, so that step is done. So next is just to ride it now. So you will be focusing on taking some risk this week, and it will be a one step risk, but you will take it, you will enjoy it. I also feel, friends, breakthroughs are coming especially at work and in your education. You are looking for some breakthroughs or someone to help you or some way to start. You are missing the excitement in life. You will find something to be excited about this week. Trust me. You are missing that. Where is the excitement in life? We study, there is no excitement. We are doing things, but there is no excitement. You will find it, otherwise, you will create it. Friends, if you can't find something, you can create it. And that's how you are this week. I also feel, friends, messages are coming. Some important news, some important information is coming, and please, you can miss it if you don't listen to your intuition. So, listen to your intuition. I don't want you to miss some important informations regarding your exams or admissions or your interview calls. So, double check your emails. Let's see Oracle messages, chaos and conflict number 33. Yeah, I do feel you may feel a little confused this week to call a person because you miss them so much, or should you avoid it, or should you take a risk? And you may also find someone on social media to which you are very attracted. You want to message them, but you are like, should I, shouldn't I, should I, shouldn't I? Regeneration, there is definitely someone who is missing you. Absolutely, and this connection will regenerate. Yes, this connection will regenerate. There is some situation, some relationship which is not slow, which is slow right now. So the sparks of love will fly. If your marriage is becoming passionless, you can expect some passion this week. Let's see your advice. You are being helped. Heaven is working behind the scenes to help you, even if you don't see the results. Yes, friends, see, heaven is definitely trying to help you. I know you'd feel like no one is, helping you. But friends, many people, I tell you what, help is often invisible, you know. Very, very less time you can see the help actually around you. This time, like, you are helped invisibly from, like, your intuition, your emotions, like, I'm guiding you, I'm trying to assist you. Many others are. So, help is there, don't worry. You may feel a bit alone this week, or you want to hug people, you want to be with people, you want this, that. Yes, you have support. Yes, you have support. Heaven is working behind the scenes to help you. to see the results which you are not yet there. Things will change. Let's see your full moon advice. Your commitment is being tested. See, I told you, friends, this is just about, your patience, your commitment is being tested. It's not that you will not achieve your dreams. No, you have already achieved your dreams. The question is, can you take this risk? Can you be stronger? Can you wait a little more? So your commitment is tested, nothing else. You are already on the path to victory. Let's see your charms now for pile number two. I don't know why I feel you will be singing a lot or someone is singing to you. I keep getting that. Like someone, you will be trying to sing or someone is singing or you will be humming. I don't know. I keep getting that. Maybe you are learning to play an instrument or maybe you are attracted to a musician. Pile number two. Okay, let's see. Wow, very few initials today. Let me try and see if I can get more. AJ, I think that's significant. AJ. For pile number two, how this week will be for pile number two. Wow. So you have BAT bat. Oh my god. See, animals and are important. BAT bat. Yeah, I keep getting in a song BAT bat. I don't want to say that. BAT bat, bat mane, CAT cat mane billi. That's a song. It's a funny song. It's an old song, very very old song, very old song. I don't know what's the title of that song. See, the bead is here beneath the eye. So see, you are being helped, friends. See, this bead was hiding under this A. So you can't see opportunities which are coming your way, but they are coming. So there is this BATNJAL, maybe Jad. Maybe that's the name. I don't know if you can make anything else. Let me know. Lucky boot, yes, friends, you are lucky. Trust me, you are very lucky. You don't have to doubt your luck, which you are right now. Health issues are going to be resolved. If you are worried about your health or someone else's health, your parents, family members' health, yes, your health issues will resolve, or you will find some relief. Also the dark horse, you are this dark horse, friends, this week. You are this you are strong and you are stronger than you know. That's the problem. You are not trusting. See, your commitment is being tested. You are strong. Believe in yourself. Let's see. The blue car. I feel this is about keeping your intuition open. The high priestess, because messages are coming, signs are coming. You can miss it if you are not ready or if you are not alert. The or yellow car is about happiness. Stay positive, think positive. The six of dice, the six on the dice, maybe the sixth month is important to you, or maybe sixth is a birth date, or maybe the 6th of October might be important to you. I also feel six is like spiritual love. So yes, there is the love of angels or your gods, whatever religion you are, friends. There is support around you. Trust. Pineapple, reconciliation, yes. Passion. Pineapples are also about attraction, passion. So, yes, it is a passionate week for you. Messages are coming. This I feel is about information regarding work or some paperwork, informations you need. They are coming. Ooh, twin flame. Look at that. I have never seen that charm in my bag, the infinity charm. So, wow, you could be dealing with a twin flame. Also, you could be dealing with number 8. Also, friends, money is coming your way. So, don't worry. If you are missing someone, they are missing you. If you love someone, they are loving you. So, get my point? Also, friends, home, yes. This week, you want to have your own place, like be this Two of Cups, having your own sweet, cozy place, relaxing with them. So you will be looking You want to settle down, or you just want your own peace and quiet, or someone lives away from you, so you are missing them. Distance. Home can also be about distance, and there is I feel distance. There is this information, trumpet with the clock. Yes, messages. Messages are coming your way, friends. Get ready. The tree of life. Yes, friends, you are going to achieve your goals. Don't worry so much. You also have the pink bead. The pink bead is about romance, new love, crush, energy, first love energy, fresh romance, innocent romance. Let's see. This is the heart with number 14 and 7 are written on it. It is a piano. It's piano is written on it. So I told you music is important. So maybe you are dating a musician, artist, creative person, or you will listen to some music which will remind you about them. Orange bead. I feel someone is missing you, and this is also the bead of passion, attraction, passion. Iron, someone wants to fix a situation with you, a love situation. Someone wants to offer their heart to you. You're someone is very fond of you. They don't want to tell you that. So let's see, cycles. Yeah, something is going in cycle. You are unhappy about it. Karmic situation. Yeah, maybe some person is with another person, or they are dealing with karmic issues or past life issues. So you are upset, like, why can't you be with that person? You love them, they love you. King of coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. King of coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. June is important for you. I think June is the 6th month, right? And here is the 6th here. So I told you that June is important. Doves, wow, doves is important. Dove is about forgiveness. Dove is about keeping your heart open. Knight of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini is important to you. King of Air, wow, someone that is also an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. I feel that someone you're like in your family, your father figure, or your brother, you could be worried about their health. The father, the brother, father-in-laws, brother-in-laws, maybe someone at your boss, you're worried about their health or something. Six of coins, yes, balance is coming this week for you. Mouse, yeah. Mouse is like keeping, stay ready. Some information is coming, some signs are coming, get ready. Mouses are very active, they are alert always. If you see, eagle is also here. So take a higher perspective, don't get drowned in your emotions. Soulmate is coming, yes. Two of Cups is here. This is like a soulmate connection is coming. Friendships, maybe some past friends will reunite with you, or you will remember your past friends, maybe college friends, high school friends. Star wishes coming true. It's a great week for you, friends. A bit emotional week for you. You will miss someone, your friends, your family, your lover, but it's a great week for you nevertheless. So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share, friends. If you enjoyed this reading, subscribe our channel and join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful swan, let us see how your week will be. For the week of 28th to the 4th of October. This is your advice. This is extra advice. These are your oracle messages. Let's see your cards. The Prince of Winter, the Six of Spring, the Seven of Winter, Unity, the Eight of Spring, Awakening. Wow, powerful week. The 10 of Summer, 10 of Cups. Friends, this is a very, very powerful week for you. Why? Because some things are, major shifts are going to happen. I feel in mentally or emotionally, you feel stuck right now. Right now when you are watching, you feel stuck and you want this freedom, like you want to run like this horse is running. You want speed in your life, pace in your life. and somehow it is not happening right now. But this week, you are going to find that missing link. What you can do to find that pace in your life, create excitement, create movement, create freedom in your life. This week, friends, something is going to spiritually shift in your life or enlighten in your life. Some sort of a spiritual awakening is happening for you or in the person around you, like your lover, your husband, your twin flame, your ex person. Why? Because Saturn is going to affect you, friends. I feel this is mostly affecting you, our viewers, their personal life. Something is going to shift positively for you, or something is going to click. Like something is going to click, like you can do this and this will shift. Like 2 plus 2 makes 4. So you are going to figure out that yes, I need to do this, and I can make this. Or my life can shift. I can do this. I can solve this problem like this. There is something that is stuck right now. I also feel, friends, this week, take it, you will want to, you will feel a little frustrated because this week you want to run things, you want to rush things, you want quick things. If things are slow, you may actually mind it or get frustrated. I also see that you need to watch when you are walking, because I see some of you can bump your toes or something, like bump your feet or your elbows while walking or running. Because I see you're running in the week. You're like busy, or you're running, you're fast, you're quick, the energy, the Mars energy. This momentum is coming to you. So you want fast things, but watch and where you are going. You can hurt your toe, your feet, your elbows, your hands. So stay careful. Just stay a bit patient. I know you'll say, no, don't say that word. Don't say it. Don't even bring those words. Magic. Don't say the word patience. Don't say the word what? Wait. And don't say the word 2020. Nobody wants to hear it now. They are like, are done with it. Let's start the 2021. Let's just open the champagne and start the new year right now. I know how you feel, friends. I know I feel exactly the same way. In fact, if I can do it, I would celebrate the new year right here with you right now. But as it is, we are still in moving into October, so yeah, we still have some time for the new year. But don't forget, before that, new year readings are coming. You can watch the 2021 readings. I have already started. Yes, I have done the earth science reading, so you can watch that. It's on the channel. I'll try to link it somewhere up in the, in this video. So yeah, go slow, friends. You want to rush things. I do feel a lot of messages are coming your way this week. A lot of messages. You will be busy. A lot of things are on your mind. You will want to do this. You will want to do that. Like you're studying. You also want to binge watch. You have a whole list of things. You also have matches to watch. You have this. You have this. You have this. So there is a lot happening. Your mind is very active this week. You can see how I'm talking. I'm feeling so excited. That's how your energy will be. You will be very excited, very busy, and very productive also. But one thing I need to tell you to keep in mind, that stay patient, also stay calm. Otherwise, this rush can create some problem for you. I also feel, friends, there is a person, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person who has hurted you. This person has caused you hurt. This person has betrayed your trust. This person has put you in third party, ghosted you, blocked you. This person could be from your job who caused problems for you, or they gossiped about you. This person has, maybe they are a family member or a friend. They could be a lover, a family member, a colleague, or a friend, someone who has lost your trust. I feel, friends, that person wants to come and talk to you. Why? Because this person is in this unity. This person is going through this phase, of a spiritual growth. Embrace this time of deep spiritual growth. You may feel called to act. You may feel called to act as a mentor, find a new teacher, or a special time with others who are also on the sacred path. See, so I do feel that uh, There are two things I'm getting from here. Someone from the past has hurted you, and because they were not spiritually that aware at that point of time, but they are going to get some realizations, some awakenings this week. That person, they may try to message you, or they may try to say sorry by posting something on their social media like they miss you or something. But this person is going through a spiritual awakening. Maybe they are your twin flame, your husband, your wife, your ex person, whoever this is, they are going through a spiritual awakening. Also, friends, our viewers, I think you feel alone, you feel like you're a misfit wherever you are right now. So that was actually the first thing, but I didn't want it to start the reading in that way. I mean, I think you feel like you are not able to connect with anybody around you because you are changing. The people around you are the same, but you have shifted, or you will shift in this week. Your choices are shifting, your desires are shifting, your likes and dislikes are shifting. Why? Because you are spiritually awakening, you are growing, you are expanding. I also feel, friends, you feel like your family can't understand you, especially if you are young or you are a woman. You feel like your family just can't understand you, they can't get you. You are like a hippie, you are like that, a cat in the pack of wolves. Like everyone is a wolf, but you are the cat, so they don't know what you are doing. Who are you? What you are? You are a different person. Go away. But they don't realize even cats are, normal people, though they may be different from foxes, wolves, whatever. So something you feel different, and you feel upset about it, or maybe you feel like why this, why you feel alone because you are different. Nobody understands you, nobody is getting you, you feel different, you feel, even in your life path, I feel you want to do something like this. Like your life purpose is shifting, friends. Like if you were doing 9 to 5 jobs, you don't want to do it anymore. You will be starting something like solo traveling, travel blogs, or writing books. About, if you have traveled in the past, you will be writing books or making songs, or you want to do something, you want to change your life path. And this is the week you will understand it, what you need to do exactly. You will find that 2 plus 2 is 4. So this will make you feel like nobody understands you. But friends, remain positive, because success will be there. Whatever you make choices regarding your life purpose, your work, your career, or um your spiritual growth, any choice you make, decisions you make, it will bring you success. Yes, you will be successful in your work, in your long term plans, in your studies also. Yes, people may not understand, like you have an unconventional approach. I'm sorry for the big words in this reading, friends. I don't know how to simplify them. Seriously, sometimes it's very difficult. Because you are growing, friends, you are awakening, your life purpose is shifting. I do see some of you will be meditating, or you will be watching some, meditation music, or you will buy some aromatherapy candles or crystals. So you will be doing those things and feeling actually happy. But people around you will be like, what's going on? What is that? What are you doing? So that can happen. But I do feel there is a lot of support around you. You are going to find your soul tribe, maybe online on social media, maybe here on YouTube. We are always here for you, friends. We are also your family. So yes, 10 of cups of happiness. You are going to find this 10 of cups of happiness. Definitely. How? Firstly, someone is shifting in your life. That person from the past or your current person, they are going through spiritual awakening, and when that happens, you both will be together. Also, you are shifting spiritually, so that will help you to connect with the right people who understand you, who love you, form a beautiful family. Let's see your oracle cards. Loyal heart, number 35. Yes, someone has a loyal heart for you. Someone really loves you. You are looking for someone. I think you are looking for friends, like people who understand you. You are looking for that. You are looking for people who are loyal, who are who don't who keep their promises, who are honest. I think you are looking like someone like me, or maybe like all of us on our community here. I think you are looking for finding some of us, like people like us. And I think you have already found us. So be happy. You are going to find more such people. Trust, have some faith. There is someone who is coming towards you, maybe in this week or in the future months, who has a loyal connection with you, a loyal heart with you. Oh my God, soulmates. Yes, friends, your soulmate is coming. You will find them, friends. You will find them. You may feel like you are the odd one out in this world. But trust me, there are many odd people or happily odd people here, so you will find your match, don't worry. Are you single and feeling like, oh my god, I'll never find that, that puzzle, that piece that matches with mine, that fits with me? You will find it, friends. You will, absolutely. There's no doubt about it. And I'm here. If you don't find it, get a personal reading. I'll help you find it. We'll together search and seek and find. We'll go to any lengths to find that person who can fit with you, right? So yeah, or you can any this is also about goals, about your life purpose. You are looking for people who can understand your life purpose. Maybe some of you are going through sexuality issues. I didn't wanted to say it, but I keep getting this message again and again. Maybe some of you are dealing with you know depression. Maybe it is because you are spiritually awakening. Maybe you are confused about your sexuality, gender issues, or maybe your family doesn't approve of your choices. Don't worry, friends. This is just a phase. This is an awakening. This is a process. Ooh, new dawn. This is your advice. The worst is now behind you. Positive new experiences are on the horizon. So get ready, friends. Yes, new things are coming your way. Absolutely. Get ready, get excited. Don't feel left out. Let's see your full moon advice. Prosperity lies ahead. Woohoo, money is coming, friends. Yes, not just, I think some of you will start something new, altogether something very different in your career or as a profession, and you will be very successful. Trust me, friends, you will be very successful. But you have to be bold right now, and you should learn right now. Because I would not suggest you to go ahead and start something which you have not learned or not, I don't know what's the word for it, not spend time with it. Let's see. Your charms for pile number 3. What will happen for pile number 3? Ooh, lots of charms for you. Like a whole bunch of it. Wedding bells. Yes, you are going to find this person. You will marry, friends. Yes, notifications are coming also. Messages are coming. Spiritual messages are also coming. I feel you are going to find the person who is the perfect one for you. You haven't found that person yet, but don't give up. Here we have the flower. It is stuck in E. So maybe Emily or some name is important for you. Let's just, oh my God, saved it. It didn't. Let's see your initials first, and then I'm going to talk. Wow, there is a kiss smiley also. Someone wants to kiss you, friends. Yes, sweet romance, new romance, beautiful romance. Wow, Her. There's a movie I think that's called Her also. I think it's a good movie. I don't know, I have not seen it. Don't get time to see movies. Busy. What to do? Thankfully so. So I think where is also here, right? The word where. So you're looking like, where is my happiness? Where? Where are the people? Where is this person I'm supposed to marry? Everybody is telling me they are coming. Where is this magic? Dear, they are going through a spiritual awakening. Give them some time. You are also awakening. They are also awakening. Saturn will move and go direct, and Pluto will go direct in October. Give it some time, please. Trust me. If you can't trust me, trust the astrology. And there is also new. So new is important. Newher. So that is the important flower. Yes, this is flower is about starting something new, working on your new plans, new ideas. reunions. Find you want someone that fulfills you, nourishes you, has a loyal heart towards you. Strawberry is also attraction. You want a connection where you are, you have similar hobbies, similar likes, similar dislikes. I'm a stupid baby. Yeah, see, someone is awakening, friends. Someone you know, maybe a friend, a colleague, a partner, a lover, husband, twin flame. Someone is awakening. They are going to change. This connection will also change in positive ways. Home, yes, you will find that home, this 10 of cups of happiness. And look at this, the heart. Yes, you are feeling left out, friends. This reminds me of feeling alone, like not being understood. But don't worry, you are going to find people who understand you. At least we understand you, we accept you just as you are. And the yellow car. So stay happy, friends, stay happy, and don't worry. The kiss, yes, someone is fond of you. This is the doctor's tool, fixing things. You want to fix things. And also, friends, remember I told you this. Watch where you are walking. Be slow. Otherwise fixing can be needed. I'm warning you. Don't come back and tell me, oh, we didn't listen to it. I know you don't listen to me. I know that. You think I'm just saying. I am not saying, friends. I'm trying to warn you. Three of Cups. I do feel you will spend some time, or you will meet, connect with people who are vibing with your vibe, who are on your vibration, who can understand you. You will find some conversation, some people that are yours, that can understand you. Money is coming your way. Your future is safe. Don't worry. This bow, I think some of you want to get married and have a kid or child or a baby. You feel time is running out. You will have it, friends. Don't worry. It is in your destiny. This is the love pendant. Oh my god, look at this. I have never seen this. The love pendant. It has love written on it. Yes, love is coming your way. It's part of your destiny. The lion. You have to be bold, friends. Don't fear this spiritual awakening. If you feel different than others, congratulations. We are all the same, but if you are different, congratulations, because that's unique, right? uh, this bead is about, yeah, your emotions can shift this week. Shifting emotions. Bunny, stay happy, friends. I think you should watch some cartoons this week. It will help you feel happy. The dragonfly, some quick changes are coming. Umbrella, yes, someone wants to protect you. They love you. They want to protect you. The elephant with the baby elephant, mama elephant, and the baby elephant. Yes, family is important. You will have your family, or people who are your family are coming for you. Trust in them. Trust. 10 of coins. Yes, money situations will be resolved. Your future is safe. If you are worried whether you will get money from your work choices or unique ideas, yes, you will get money. Don't worry. Dolphins are happy. Dolphins is about feeling happy, taking a risk. Children, yes, some of you want children. Some of you want to have kids, to get married, to settle down. Or if you are married, you have children, you want them to get married, settle down. You are worried about a teenager or an adult kid, child. That's quite a hippie. You're worried about them. Maybe you're worried, they are too different from others. I think they are fine. They are doing fine. Don't worry so much. Prince of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Black, yes, you are protected. Remember that. You are always protected. Five of coins, yes, you are feeling like, seven of ears. Five of coins is like feeling people have cheated on you, feeling that. Queen of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Here is also Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Three of Cups. Yes, celebrations, reunions, unions, parties with friends, communications with friends or with like minded people are coming. Or you will have to join them, find the groups, go and say hi. You know, green is also important. Yes, money is coming. Some of you are worried whether you'll find money in your future or not. You will, friends. You know, friends, I have to tell you this thing. You know, things never remain the same, whether you like it or not, whether I like it or not. You know, like if you feel today no money is there, if you feel today is this COVID situation going on, will it remain forever? No, obviously not. Nothing remains forever. Things will shift, and when it shifts, we won't even remember this was there. So, you know, money is coming. Trust. It's not coming now, it will be there in your future. Eight of Wands, yes, Eight of Wands, here it is. Yes, you are busy. Your mind is like 100 Windows Explorer. Your mind is like the Explorer where there are so many tabs open. You are watching this, you are watching that, you are thinking about this, that, everything. I can, there's so much going on in your mind. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini is important. Knight of Air, a lot of people are important. Prince of Cups, King of Cups, Knight of Air, Queen of Air, a lot of people are important this week. Red and green both are important. So you are like when to stop, when to go, you don't know. Red and green are like that, you know. Two of Cups, yes, happiness, relationships are coming for you. January is important. Maybe someone is a January born. And imagine I gave you that example of cat, and here is the cat. So, friends, be like the cat, even if you are different. Enjoy, be proud of yourself. I am super proud of you, so be proud of yourself because that's necessary. I think, you know, differences are often said that we perceive differences as something that makes us apart. I think differences unite us. That's how I feel. I have always felt that way. That it is our unique things, unique, you know, differences that unite us. Like every daisy is different, but all the daisies on the in the field are same, but all of them are different in many ways. They have different variations, different colors. So differences unite us, friends. They bring us individuality. I can't talk today. Lion, yes, friends, take charge, be fearless. Don't you ever doubt yourself. Eight of swords, yeah, fear. You are feeling fear. Prince of Cups, a lot of people are on your mind. I don't know what's going on. Twins, yes, some of you might end up having twins. I feel there could be a wedding or a ceremony or marriage or some sort of a function. You are preparing for it, or you will get some information this week because so many people are involved. So you may meet some family or you may get some information, and here is the bell. So on this happy note, that's it for now, friends. Subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share this channel, and let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. Join us on Insta as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.